guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna make my favorite strudel that I put on a lot of my muffins and pancakes and things like that you'll see. So whenever you see the homemade strudel or low sugar strudel, this is what we're making it with. So it's just made with 3 tablespoons of coconut or almond flour, and you can buy that at your grocery store in just basic bags like this. I'm pretty sure we got this at Walmart. Coconut and almond flour, all of those kinds of alternative flours are in the baking goods sections. So I have 3 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You also can use a swerve kind of brown sugar or something like that, and 1 tablespoon of butter. And I'm gonna melt the butter and mix all these together. So I'll be right back. Okay, now my butter's melted, and all I'm gonna do is take a fork and stir these together. Okay, you wanna keep stirring and working that together until it looks about like this, like small pearls. Now I'm going to spread it out on some parchment paper and bake it at 350. Okay, I left this just a little too long. Really, it only takes about 2 or 3 minutes, but it gets nice and toasty. And this was in there for about 4 minutes, so we have some really dark spots, but just nice golden brown. It's about 2 or 3 minutes on 350. And then this you just use on top of your muffins like you see in our videos. Enjoy.